Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today again our topic is comparing quantity series. In this video we will learn about conversion of percentages to fractions or decimals. In the earlier our last three videos, we learned about converting fraction numbers to percent, then decimals to percent, and then I gave you some questions regarding them. So in this video we will learn just the opposite of it. Don't worry, it's not at all difficult. Just do with method and it will be very easy for you. As you know, percentages we get are 100. Like when we say this word whole, we actually mean 100. So if we are given one part, we can always find out the other part. Suppose 30% of a given, I am not verifying whether there are this number of students or this number of them. 30% of a given number of students are boys. This means that if there were 100 students, this 100 students, so 30 out of them would be boys. As we know 100%, so you can understand that, right? So 100, what will you do? It's like 100 minus 30. Obviously you will be thinking that 100 minus 30, and we have to take out the percentage of the remaining students in the class who were girls, right? So what is left? Just do it like this, and what is your answer? 70%, right? Now I will be giving you some questions regarding them. So going towards our next questions. In this video I will give you questions as you understand what is the thing that what can we do to get this percentages to decimals or fractions. If your doubt is not clear, do just tell me in the comment section. I would be reading it, and if you don't get it, I will make another video. So next, so this is the first question we have, right? So what is the first question? I'll just underline if you don't understand. This is the 35% plus what? This is the number x we have, right? X percent is equal to 100%. So what you will do? What you did in the earlier was like this 100 minus 30. So what we will do in this? 100 minus 35 percentage is equals to x. In this video I have just shown you in the method of the solving an equation. Otherwise you can use other methods also there. I would be telling them also. So just what is left? 65% is equals to x. This is our answer, right? Moving on to our second question. No, don't get confused. It is the similar method. Just in this method, what we have to do is plus this first, then subtract it from that, and this is x, and your answer will be x. So first do it like 100 minus 64, which is 84, right? Is equals to x. If you cancel it, what will be your answer? 16% is equals to x, right? And this is your answer of second question. Now, I just told you two examples. Now I will be giving you very simple questions again, and you will do it right now. I will tell this answer at last. First question. 45% is equal to 100% minus dash, that is x. You can just pause the video and get the answer. This is our first question. Now, second question is 70% is equals to 100% minus what? What is the thing we want? That is also again X. Just solve it and give your answers in the comment section, and if your answer is right, hit the like button. So I think you all got, but I'll just tell you, just do 100 minus 45, that is equal to 55%, right? This is our first answer. And when you do 100 minus 70, it is 30%, that is your second answer. Moving on to our second question. So this is our next question. 65% of students in a class have a bicycle. What percent of students do not have bicycle? So it is like 65 of them. This 65 have their own bicycle, right? And the left students don't have. So here are two methods you can do it. Just convert it into the fraction, but we are asked only percent. So what we will do is like 100 minus 65. As we know, 100 is the total. Just remember, 100 is total or whole. This is the main point. Just minus it. What it will be answer? It will be 35%. 35% of students are there in the class who do not have bicycles. Moving on to our third question. So this is our next question. We have a basket full of apples, oranges and mangoes, and 50% are apples, 30% are oranges. Then what percent are mangoes? Just basically it means to say, out of this 100, that total 100, I'll just form an equation so that it will be easy for you to solve. 50% are the apples, 30% are oranges. So what is this X left? So what, again with the same method, 100 minus 80. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be 20%. That is your whole answer. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked this video. If you like, do check out my other series also. I have a fraction series and a comparing quantity series. I would be making more such videos. If you like it, smash the like button right now. And if you like my channel, just check out my channel. You will find like all the type of things. I just make songs, I just make videos of study, I make videos of cooking, etc. Just check it out right now. And bye. Thank you for watching.